Good day, fashion friends. I made this video today to showcase some of my upcycled and handmade jewelry that is for sale. So if you watch the video, I will give you a claim word. You can comment down below with your claim. Prices are also disclosed in the video as well. And I will link my PayPal in the description. So stake your claim. Make sure that you wait until I acknowledge that I saw it. Then I will tell you to proceed with your payment. Minimum shipping is shipping is $5 no matter how many pair that you buy, so no more than $5. And happy shopping, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, first pair. These will be called Denim Sparkle, wooden base, hand wrapped, hand beaded, hand assembled. Denim Sparkle, and these will be $12. Next pair, comment Denim Camo. Denim Camo. There are wooden base, again, hand beaded, hand assembled, hand wrapped. You can wear them with the sparkle on the outside, or you can wear them with the plain side. These also have about a 4-inch drop. These will also be $12. Denim Camo. Next pair. These were upcycled. These were a plain silver hoop. I got the beads and the chains from various crafting items that I had laying around. Hand wrapped, hand assembled. These will be denim hoops, and these will also be $12. These ones were made from a belt loop. I added the beads and little findings. It has a black Aurora Borealis rose on them, gold tone fixtures. These have about these also have a 4-inch drop. And comment Denim Rose. These will also be $12. These are also cute little upcycled hoops. I just wrapped a little bit of denim on the plain portion, and you can see the little sparkles that are shining through. These will be denim small hoops, and these will be $10. Oh, let me give you a drop on those. Give you a measurement. These are about a 1.5-inch drop. 1.5-inch drop. These are also fun. Also have excuse me, about a 4-inch drop. Colorful beads, hand wrapped, 2 different shades of denim with wooden beads cut in half and then glued onto the hoops. These will be denim colorful, and these will be $12. Also upcycled, these were just plain silver hearts. I added the beads, the wire, the half denim, and the little sparkles. These will be denim hearts, $12. Okay, next ones, again, same size, about 1.5 to 1.75 inch. Button earrings, also finished on the back. Has kind of like a lightning bolt effect with a swirly flat back rhinestone. These will also be $10. Comment pink swirl. These ones are a little smaller, little button earrings. These are about 1.25 inches round, probably about the size of a quarter. Burgundy and pink combination. This is like a burgundy velour, so comment burgundy velour. Burgundy velour, these will also be $10. Let's see what else. Okay, and then the last pair on this rack is the, I call these the double buttons, just like the pink ones, the pink checkered ones. There is a large button and a small button on top, creates a three-dimensional effect. When I do the beads, I string them onto Stretch Magic, tie them, and then glue them to the top and bottom button so that they are secure, so they're not individually put on there. It's kind of like a little tiny bracelet. Okay, so just comment Blue Africa, and these will also be 10. Okay, next round. These are wooden base painted with a fabric button on top and studs and bling all the way around. These have a 3-inch drop, and the circle itself is about 2 1/4. So completely finished, painted. So comment black checks, and these will be 12. These were also upcycled. The center of these earrings looked like this. I popped them out and I put a fabric covered button that just happened to fit that circle with some flame material. And again, the backs are finished with soft felt, so there's no rough edges. Comment flames. These will be 12 as well. Comment flames. These are also another pair of upcycled earrings. The hoops were plain black with some geometric shapes in them and then had a pearl in the center. I wrapped them in some Ankara fabric, changed out the bead. So comment, these will also be 12. Comment green bead for 12. Also an upcycle set. These were actually dream catchers up here. Took a fabric covered button, added it on top. The back is finished. Put a little touch of bling, give you a little shiny stuff going on. Comment green feathers, and these will also be 12. Next up, this is 2 fabric covered buttons. They are sewn together. Added the feathers. Again, the back is finished for a complete and professional look. So comment yellow feathers, and these will be 12. Here's some more of that same material, fabric covered button, a little hoop, some fringe, and some material. These have just over a 6-inch drop. Super fun. Post back, of course. These will also be 12. Comment green fringe for 12. Another pair of fabric fringe earrings. We have like a raspberry color with a olive green and raspberry print mixed in with some camo. We have some straight cut. We have some zigzag cut. These have a drop of almost 7 inches, between 6 and 7 inches. So comment raspberry. These will be also 12, raspberry for 12. Again, we have the double button earrings. If you can see that detail, 2 buttons, 2 different fabrics, cowrie shells on chains with some green fringe, finished backs, of course. You can comment green shells, green shells. These will also be 12. Oh, let me do the drop on those. These have a drop. These are post back, and they have a drop of 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches. Okay, next pair. Again, double button, 2 different materials with a little bit of an off-center look to them. Some pink, blue. We have the beading, the fringe, all the details. These also have about a 4 3/4 inch drop. 4 3/4 inch drop. Just say pink and blue, and these will be 15. There's a little more detail in those. Okay, I love these ones. I have considered keeping them for myself just because I love this color. So these are also upcycled. These were plain blue. I added the bead, I added the iridescent flower, and I added the beads on the bottom. So you've got your boho blue tones with your dangly beads. These do have a little bit of weight to them. Comment blue boho, and these will be 15. Another upcycle set. The earrings were just the plain hoops. I added the beading, and this is strips of suede that I cut from a skirt that I sourced. Tied them together, made little tassels. These have a 5-inch drop, and just comment suede tassels, and these will also be 15. This is another upcycled pair. These were kind of like a silvery gold tone. They had some scratches and stuff on them, so I sanded them down. I painted them rose gold. I added the pink bead in the center. So say pink hearts, and these will be 10. And these have a 2.5 inch drop. 2.5 inch drop. And I will say, for some reason, the paint did not go on as smoothly as I had planned. So there are a few teeny tiny little flaws in the paint. I don't know if you can see that. I was as careful as I could be. It's not easy working with spray paint. Learn that lesson. But when they're on, you can't see them. You have to look really, really close. Okay, these are super fun. So one of these pink earrings had a little bit of paint that had been removed, or a little bit of the enamel, and there was no way that I could match them. And I loved the color, and I did not want to paint them, but I received these when I ordered some accessories with bling on them for my car, and these are for the ignition buttons, but my ignition button is not round, it is square. So I could not use these, but I saved them because I thought they were super pretty and thought I could use them for something someday. And so I just glued them onto the pink earrings, and it covers up where the enamel had chipped off. So comment pink bling for these ones. And these are a 3-inch drop from top to bottom, pink bling. And these will also be 10. I love these. I kind of want to keep them for myself. Here is a cute little pair. So these just had the feathers on them. It's a very little lightweight leaf. They just had the feathers. I bought a bag of jewelry and it had this iridescent beaded bracelet, and I just cut it in half, drilled a hole in, added a little loopy pin, and added the beads to the feathers, just trying to utilize everything that I had and not have any waste. So comment white feathers, and these will be 10. These I love as well. So this came from another pair of earrings that wasn't really quite put together the right way. So we have the silver lotus blossom on the front, or on the top, and the face, as you can see, has a hammered texture to it. It is matte, kind of looks like an Oriental or an Asian person, so that's why I figured the lotus blossom would go great with this. This was actually a broken set of earrings. One of the hooks was missing, so I decided to just kind of put all this together. So comment lotus, and these will be 10 as well. And these have a almost a 3.5 inch drop. I'm gonna say like 3 1/4. 3 1/4 inch drop, and even though the pieces are metal, they are lightweight. Okay, a couple more pieces. So these were a vintage pair of, and had a snake print on this, and some of the snake print had been damaged, so I repainted them. They still have the snake print if you look really, really close, and I had these gorgeous rhinestone snowflakes, so I thought these would be super cute in the wintertime. I know it's off season, but I'm going to show them anyway. So comment snowflake, and these will be 10. Comment snowflake, and these are approximately 1 1/4 inch. 1 1/4 inch, and they are post back. All right, another little upcycle pair. These were just plain red squares. I had the rhinestones as part of my crafting entourage. These are on the smaller side. They are 1 inch from top to bottom. So comment red squares, and these will be 10. And then the last pair, a vintage pair of red enamel with a 3D effect in the center, kind of like a wave design. And I will disclose on this one, there's one teensy tiny little scratch. You can barely see it, but I felt like they needed a little something extra, so I added some red Aurora Borealis bling onto each side. So you can wear them this way, or you can reverse them, have the bling on the outside. They are post back. These will also be 10, so comment red circles, and these will be 10. Okay, thank you for watching. If there are any claims you would like to make, please comment down below. I will link my PayPal in the description, and just stake your claim. Make sure I wait till I acknowledge it, and then you can proceed with your payment. And then make sure you put your address in your PayPal notes, and I can get those shipped out for you. And shipping will be $5 minimum. And then basically, if you order more than one pair, I will do combined shipping. So it will be $5 for however many pair of earrings that you purchase. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.